In this video, we'll be flying from Doha, Qatar to Seattle, USA on Qatar Airways. Come join us on a relaxing 14.5-hour flight aboard our amazing QSuites. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see more videos like this. Make sure to take a picture with the lamp bearer inside Hamad International Airport. Making our way into the plane in anticipation of this long flight. Welcome to QSuites 3E and 3F, which is perfect for couples. The flight attendant quickly asked us what drink we wanted. And of course, we had to take pictures in these beautiful suites. Smile! Here's the very important mandatory cheers with Laurent Perrier champagne before takeoff. Let's take a quick tour of our QSuite. There's a large pull-out tray table, a very soft blanket, and 2 pillows. There's plenty of space to stretch out. A very nice amenity kit and pajamas are provided. A handheld remote to control various features of the seat. Here are the seat controls and the power plugs. There's also storage beside the seat with bottled water and headphones. And finally, here's the reading lamp and the sliding door for privacy. Let's take a look at the Dine on Demand menu, where you can order anything at any time. The wine menu has wines from all over the world, as well as regular drinks. It's finally time to eat. Let's see what we have here. We started off with an Arabic meze with bread. Have you ever had broccoli miso soup? My favorite dish was a char-grilled kofta and lamb chop. We also tried the grilled fillet of salmon. And finally, the Thai chicken khao soi with egg noodles. There's always room for dessert. We had a very rich double chocolate tart and fresh fruits. Here's a quick look at the women's and men's amenity kit by Diptyque Paris. I was quite surprised by the high quality of the pajamas from the white company London. Let's take a look at the very brightly lit lavatory. Do you think there's enough lights in here? Let us know in the comments. More high-quality products by Diptyque. Toothbrushes, toothpaste, and razors are provided as well. The 2 seats turn into full-size beds so you can sleep together comfortably. How do we look wearing these stylish pajamas? Sadly, most good things must come to an end. We were given a warm towel and chocolates as we prepared to land. QSuites is one of the best ways to fly, especially when traveling as a couple. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you on our next adventure.